Nothing ruins a summer drive faster than a truck with no AC. Let's get your Tacoma's cool back. The AC compressor clutch is what lets your air conditioning blow cold air. When it won't engage, there are a few common reasons. First, check your AC fuse and relay. A blown fuse or bad relay can stop the clutch from getting power. Next, look at your refrigerant level. If it's too low, a safety switch keeps the clutch from turning on to protect the system. Wiring issues are another culprit. Broken or frayed wires might stop the clutch from getting the signal to start. And don't forget the AC pressure switch. If this sensor is faulty, it won't let the clutch engage either. Sometimes the clutch itself wears out or gets stuck. If you hear clicking but nothing happens, the clutch might need to be replaced. Most fixes are pretty simple, but if you're unsure, it's best to ask a mechanic. Remember, always work safely and disconnect your battery before poking around. Now you know what to check when your Tacoma's AC compressor clutch won't engage. Stay cool, and thanks for watching.